Okay, in this video, I'm going to provide you the answers and explanations to questions on conditions or comparisons. So let's go ahead with that. Okay. Right. So the first question is 16 equals to 16. This is a condition or a comparison. Okay. So always the result will be either true or false. So let's see. What we are doing is what we are checking whether this is the relational operator equal to this. 16 equal to 16? Yes, obviously. So therefore the result of this is true. If we write something like this as a condition or as a comparison, it is true because 16 is equal to 16. The next question says completely opposite of that. 16 is not equal to. Now this symbol that you see in the middle here is not equal to. Okay, so 16 not equal to 16. But 16 is equal. So if you say 16 not equal to 16, that's false, actually. So the result of this is false. So this one, I have put different variations. Now here we are saying 16 is, this is the less than symbol, okay? Or smaller. 16 is smaller than 16 or 16 is less than 16. No, they are equal. So it is not less. Therefore, stating something like this means it's false. Okay, so now let's see if we put it the other way around. 16 is greater than 16. That is also false because 16 is not greater than 16. They are equal. So when you say it is greater than 16, it also is considered false. So the result of that will be false. Next one. Here, this one says 16 is less or equal to 16. Now, whenever you have these two, when you have less than 16, it's false. That's definite. But when you have both of these, which says less than or equal to, it says not more than or less than or equal to, if this one is there or this one is there, it is considered true. So in this case, it is not less, but it is equal. So this one is true. Therefore, this is true. Okay. So in this case, you consider only one of these. At the same time, no number can be less at the same time equal. So when you put something like this, what you are expecting is it's either this or this. If any of this, if it is true, if this one is true or this one is true, then this whole condition is considered true. So when you say 16 less or equal to 16, it is true. Okay. Next one, 16 greater or equal to 16. That is also true. Why? Because it's equal. It is becoming true not because of the greater symbol, because of the equal symbol. Like I said, if one of that is there, it's okay. So this is true. Here also the same thing. Here also this is becoming true because of the equal symbol, not because of the less symbol. Right? So if it is less or if it is equal, either of that is true. If it is greater or if it is equal, either of that is true. So that's why these two are considered true, whereas these two are considered false. Okay, next one. Now here we are, these are all numeric conditions or comparisons. Here we are doing an alphanumeric comparison. The is within double quotes, so we are actually comparing the word the with the. Okay, so what you're saying is the word the is equal to the. That's true. The same word, same thing. No, nothing extra, nothing. So this is equal to this is considered true. Okay, this one again the same word alphanumeric. The, now we are saying not equal to the, but they are equal. So when you say it is not equal, then we have to say it is false. This can't be true because what we are stating is we are saying the is not equal to the, which is a false statement. That's why it's false. Whereas when you say the is equal to the, it's true. The is the, so it's true. That's how you think of those. Okay. Next one, we have 3 plus 2 less than 4. So when you have an expression like this with addition, multiplication, whatever, first you have to solve those on the either side. Now in this case, only on the left side we have a condition. So first thing you have to do is you have to solve this. So we have to solve this. This is 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we have less than 4. So now this is our condition we have to compare. What we are saying is 5 is less than 4. That is false. 5 is not less, no. 4 is less. 5 is not less than 4. 5 is actually greater than 4. So therefore, when you say 5 is less than 4, then it is false. Okay, that is I. Let's go to the next one. Next one is a bigger condition. Here we have expression up to this and a relational operator less or equal to. Here we have another expression. So first we have to solve these expressions and these expressions. You can either do the left side first and finish it and then go to the right side, or do the right side first and go to the left side. So usually we start with the left side, so we will do that. And then you have to compare whether it is less or equal to one of these. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Now in this case, we know in an expression, we have to first give highest priority to the bracket. So this is what we need to do. But within the bracket, there is a minus and there is a division. So out of the minus and the division gets higher priority. Therefore, we have to do this first within that expression, this part, within the brackets. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, and let's write the rest of the condition as it is. See this 5 plus 7 into 2 into, within brackets we have this 13. This 6 divided by 2 became 3. Close bracket. Then we have the less or equal to 150 minus 10 divided by 2. That expression is there. So now we have come up to this. Now from this expression, again we have to give priority to the bracket. So we have to do this one before doing anything else. So when you do that, it's 13 minus 3, which is 10. And we'll write the rest of the condition as it is. 5 plus 7 into 2 into this value. This value is now 10. Less or equal to 150, exactly like that. Right. So now we have this expression. So in this expression, what do we have to do? We have to do plus or minus, multiplication. Multiplication has higher priority. But we have two multiplications here and another multiplication here. So if we have same level operators, we have to consider, or we give priority to the leftmost one. So in this case, we have to do this first. So we do that first, okay? So 7 into 2 is 14. And let's write the rest of it as it is, 5 plus, so this becomes 14 into this 10 less or equal to, so now the expression has come to this. Now from this one, we have to again do this one, which is 14 into 10, which is multiplication. Then we have to do multiplication before doing this addition. So 114 into 10, which is 140. Then let's write the rest of the part of the expression, 5 plus 140 less or equal to 150. Right. So now our expression is this. So now we have to finish this on the leftmost side, this one. 5 plus 140 is 145. So we have done with that. Now we go to the right side. So the right side expression, 150 minus 10 divided by 2 minus and division. Priority goes to the division. If you are not sure of it, you look at the bottommost rule I did in the previous videos. Okay. So this has to be done first. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then we'll write the rest of the condition. 145 less or equal to 150 minus 5. That is 10 divided by 2 has become 5. Now we have to solve this. When you solve that, this is 150 minus 5, which is 145. Now we have the rest of the condition. So finally we have arrived at 145 less or equal to 145. Now, you know, when you put less or equal to, like I said earlier, if it is less or if it is equal, then it becomes true. So 145 less is not true, but equal it is true. 145 is equal to 145. Therefore, this condition or a comparison is true. Okay, so remember this. When you have less or equal or greater or equal, if one of these, either this one or this one is true, then the entire thing is considered true. Okay, so this expression evaluates to true. Let's go